A new box has arrived. Let's see what is inside. It's the Tiger 1 Reobrix set number 77031. Time for a detailed review.
The set was provided by Reobrix for review. All opinions expressed here are my own.
Today we review the Tiger 1 Reobrix set 77031. It contains 1138 pieces and the recommended age is 14+. The tank belongs to the World of Tanks series and is in scale 1/28. We will have a detailed building review and talk about the finished set. Let's open the box. It is really full of bricks. You get 4 big bags, each containing multiple others as well as instruction manual and a code for World of Tanks. Time for a brief look into the instructions. First of all, it contains stickers. Stickers for the outside finish, but also for the instruments. The structure of the instructions is a bit different compared to other brands. Each step contains the letter of the section as well as the number of the step. This number resets for every section. All sub-builds are linear to the main build, meaning that those steps doesn't have a separate count. Here is the complete part list. Pause to have a closer look. Let's open the first bag, that is associated to the letter A. It contains a part separator. This one looks really different than the one from Lego. It reminds me a bit of a dolphin. It has actually the same functions as the one you used to know. I want to know from you which one do you like better? All bags are numbered with a second number. You don't have to open all bags of section 1, you can start with only the parts from bag 1 to 1. That is everything that is in the first big bag. Let's build bag 1 to 1 together. This is how the first bag ends. It took approximately 6 minutes to complete that. I'll leave you alone for a bit so that you can enjoy small video sequences showing the end of each bag as well as adding sub-assemblies to the main build. With the chains put on, we are halfway through the entire build. Unfortunately, the building experience from now on is not as good as before. I highly recommend building a podest so that you can add the parts with the pressure that is necessary. And now it's time to enjoy some impressions from the second half. I wasn't able to mount the front with a good alignment. Let me summarize the building experience for you, and I will explain you what I liked and what could be improved. First of all, the building experience wasn't too bad. However, there were parts that were difficult to mount, like the front plate or the turret with the gun. The clamp force is really high, so no bricks are falling apart. However, you need more pressure than building Lego. Connecting the hinges is tough and you cannot move them easily. I really like that you build in very small portions. It took me between 5 and 7 minutes to complete a bag. Don't be worried, if you are in the middle of a sub-build when your bag ends, just take the next one. The instructions are fairly easy, but sometimes you might get confused by wrong pictures, but nothing dramatic, just pay attention. This is especially necessary when you have about 4 sub-builds in parallel. What I don't like about that set is that it comes with stickers and no prints at all, except for the World of Tanks display. Also, sometimes it's a bit hard to see where the part was added, and I made a few mistakes during the build. Last but not least, the front. I have tried multiple times to align it properly, but I didn't succeed. Things I really enjoyed is that you have some interesting parts, like a brick inverter. You have no strange or foreign colors, and even all pins are in the appropriate color. This makes the build look so much nicer. Overall, there are a lot of details, which make the overall look pretty nice. And if you are a fan of World of Tanks, you even get a bonus code for the game. The price is around $50, which is pretty good for the 1138 pieces. It's a great build and purely for display and fans of tanks, especially for gamers who like World of Tanks. I have added a link to the shop in the pinned comment. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel.